Hello everyone, welcome to Universal Study Studio. Today we are going to be learning a few lines on how I spend my time during lockdown. But before we jump into this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell and press the thumbs up button so you will never miss another video. Without further ado, let's jump into this video. The whole world has come to a standstill, and the reason is the pandemic COVID 19. As a preventive measure, a nationwide lockdown was ordered by the government since there is no vaccine or drug for this virus. I watch the news every day and realize the seriousness of this situation. After spending a few days in lockdown, the government ordered that the online classes shall start. So every day I woke up at 5 o'clock and did exercises to keep my body healthy. After that, I attended my online classes. Then I helped my mother in the kitchen and she also made me special dishes. I tried to complete assignments and worksheets given by the teacher so that I could play later. In the evenings, I enjoyed video games, played with my brother, and did some gardening. Late in the evening, I liked to read some books, made video calls to my relatives and friends, and watched TV. During this lockdown, I got to spend some quality time with my parents and siblings, focused on my health, and adopted new hobbies. The lockdown has helped in securing lives and buying time for the development of vaccines and treatments. I have prayed every day that a cure for COVID 19 comes out soon, which will put an end to this nightmare. So that's the end of the video. Hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and I shall see you next time.